We drove down to my aunt's farm, and God just knew I needed to experience this before 2025 ends. We spent the full day here, and it was so refreshing to step away from the city. I not only had a great time, I was inspired and charged up to perfect my craft and operate my business and my life in excellence. I literally saw Proverbs 22:29 at play in this place. My aunt and my uncle are doing so well, and just seeing the level of excellence and diligence they're putting in their farm operations and the way their household is managed, the way they're living their life, just left me charged up to be intentional and not do things
I'm
haphazardly.
about to try a janje. It's called a janje. Canary one, right? I'm trying it for the first time, guys. These have always grossed me out ever since I was little. So
You have to put it in your mouth and suck it.
Smells, oh my gosh.
Put it in your
It
mouth and suck
smells
it
good.
in.
That's fine.
Press out the seeds into your mouth. Suck them.
What do you think?
No, just suck all the seeds.
Sit there. Sit. Yeah. There you go.
No, not this one, okay.
Yeah, I told you, I
So-
commanded it to sit.
so like I
You press it out. Yeah, you press the seed
Into your mouth, all
into
of
the
it.
mouth. Exactly.
What do you think?
There we go.
It's
Delicious, right?
just
it's sweet-ish.
No, not ish. Sweet.
It's not bad.
It's not bad, eh?
It's not bad.
So go on to round 2. Now you can join us, my experts.
So what is this called in English?
We don't know.
It has a name.
and there's
It's an African
and there's an
Guys.
African.
berry.
I've successfully had a janje.
Half a ginger.
Clap for me.
Well done. Well done.
I have a breakfast date with Sharron, who is a Zimbabwean content creator that I've been connected to for a while, so heading to Avondale to meet up with her.
Guys, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, do all the things you need to do in this video. Guys, we need to push the numbers. Please subscribe.
If you follow me for a while, I probably sound like a broken record at this point, but I think it's so important to have something of your own to build a personal brand so that you're not just relying on formal employment. So I was just sharing that with Sharron and talking about how in 2026, I'm giving my business just as much effort and diligence as I've given my employer over the years. Jobs come and go, but no one can take away your personal brand if you play your cards right.
If I can give myself the same thing I'm giving my employer, then my card is
Yeah, I will. It was very, very, very nice. Nice seeing you.
Not nice catching up.
I really like this. It's such a nice idea. Yeah. Breakfast with Sharron was so nice. She's literally one of my favorite Zim YouTubers. I've been following her journey for years, probably like maybe 4 years, 5 years at this point, before she even became big on YouTube. So yeah, it was nice to catch up. It literally felt like I know her and we were just like catching up. So we're going to Graniteside. I'm going to Graniteside with my cousins and I'm in the Duke. Otherwise, in those who don't zero a week, guys. So not taking any chances, going to get Duke.
Baby mama, this jagger, baby dance like a donkey, biggie body bouncing. I'm a pull bang bang, I'm a biggie bangy baggy baggy banda. I love your wish, rolling for me, I love you. Hello sugar, baby fisher. La 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 yeah yeah. You gotta know. 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 Mama, she can bang bang, baby, like your thing thing. Come, baby, boss, mine, bululusha, kulusha, baby, kulusha, baby, mama, like your thing. Sugar, baby, my honey thing, my falcon, baby, lulu, my falcon. Make me lose focus, baby, do over like your shoulder. You don't know that. La 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 yeah yeah. She gon' make me lose control. She gon' make me lose. You gotta know. 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 Baby mama, this jagger, baby dance like a donkey.
Driving through town was such a shock for me. The amount of people on the streets, the cars on the roads, is just wild. I've been trying to get my mom to have us come into town since I came, but she's refused. She says she does not come into town and she literally like lives her life and manages everything she's managing, work, etc., without getting into town, and now I see why.
Yeah, I'm chatomboite. Yo. Don't you know I quest kana uthi ngori road ya tapfura.
Downtown.
Christmas.
This is season now. Don't you so fun?
Vanhu vese vangone impatience ndo problem. Awu ingasatomboita ake manyemwe pamwe. ci fa pazienza. Guys, look at these spoons. $5. They're so nice and so heavy. Oh, I can't even carry them because they're so heavy. By the time I do like spoons, knives, forks, yeah, this is like at least almost maybe like 500 grams. It's heavy. Thank you.
Don't let it go, don't let it fade. Don't let the memory just slip away. No, we're just a call away, and we can save the day. You get a story to behold, yeah. You don't need time travel. Put time in the photo. That smile you wanna keep and laugh you wanna hold. Everywhere is home. We can make it last forever. We capture moments that last.
We left Graniteside and headed towards Belvedere. My aunt wanted to buy a few items in Bola, the one in Longchen, before she leaves Zim. But at this point, we were so hungry. So my cousin suggested we stop by this place usually buys chips. But unfortunately, they were closed. So we just ended up going straight to Longchen.
Ooh, lifetime. Let's make the memories last your lifetime. Wanna make memories? We're here for you. We got you. We're just a call away, and we can save the day. You get a story to behold, yeah. You don't need time travel. We can put it in a picture. We can make it last forever.
By the time we got to Longchen, we were now rushing to head back north of the city before traffic starts. So we just went straight into Bola, got pies, picked up what we wanted, and then drove back. Finally back home, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I didn't buy anything really. I went with a list of specific things that I wanted, but I didn't really find the things that were on my list. So I ended up getting these serving spoons. I didn't buy this. One of my cousins wanted like one, but they were selling 10 for $1. So it just made sense for her to get the 10, and then I ended up getting 2 from those. And then I bought a brush. I thought this is really cute. So yeah, I bought a brush. This I think was like 60 or 70 cents, but because they didn't have the change, which is so weird. I don't know like
pricing in Zim is just, yeah, it'll give you a headache because they'll say something is like $10, 30 cents, or whatever amount of dollars with some cents, but they don't have change. Anyway, so for the change, there's an option of a toothbrush and some random thing I was never gonna use, so I ended up getting a toothbrush. And then I got a grater. My grater is kind of like deformed, so I was like, yeah, let me replace it. So I got this, and then I also got this. My cousin bought me this. She said this is like really good to cut like different types of cuts. So she was like, she's gonna buy it for me. So that's how I ended up with this. So yeah, this is pretty much everything. So yeah, clearly I didn't really buy anything. I think Graniteside is like a great place to go shop if you live in Zim. It makes sense because you're gonna find like somewhat nice stuff at really, really, really affordable, if not cheap prices. But as somebody who lives outside of Zim, I don't know that I would say like it's worth it because it just wasn't making sense. It's like, yeah, the thing is cheap, but like, do I really want to like put that in my luggage and go with it and increase my weight? All of those factors come into play. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you've watched till this point, please do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.